Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set the lot order for the free scheme in Logic ERP. This powerful feature allows you to control the sequence in which inventory lots are selected when applying free item promotions. Let's get started. Head to the sales voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the option labeled as lot order for the free scheme, which includes several parameters. Let's explore the functionality of each parameter one by one. Let's begin with the first parameter, lot order for the free scheme as the lot code. This option ensures that free items are issued based on either alphabetical or numerical sequencing. Let's observe its functionality during the billing process. Before proceeding with the billing process, let's take a quick overview of the scheme setup. We have already configured a scheme titled Shampoo Offer, which provides customers with a complimentary shampoo sachet upon the purchase of one shampoo bottle. Let's now move to the billing screen and begin processing the item transaction. Upon saving the bill, a window appears stating, "Choose a scheme to implement." If you wish to apply the scheme, simply select the scheme and click OK. As observed, the free item has been applied automatically. To check which lot has been picked for the free item, simply press the spacebar on the lot number. The system automatically selects the lot based on the numerical sequence of the lot code. Moving on, the second parameter, lot order for the free scheme as the purchase date, ascending. This option ensures that free items are issued following the first in, first out (FIFO) method. The lots will be prioritized based on their purchase date, starting with the oldest and moving towards the newest. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality. As observed, the system automatically picks the lot based on the purchase date, following an ascending or FIFO order. The third parameter, lot order for the free scheme as the purchase date, descending, ensures that free items are issued following the last in first out (LIFO) method. The lots will be prioritized based on their purchase date, starting with the newest and moving towards the oldest. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality. As observed, the system automatically picks the lot based on the purchase date, following a descending or LIFO order. The fourth parameter, the lot order for free schemes as the lot number, ensures that lots are picked according to their lot numbers, generally in numeric sequence. Let's observe its functionality during billing. As observed, the system automatically picks the lot according to the numeric sequence of the lot number. The last parameter, lot order for the free scheme as a user order, indicates the system will pick lots according to the user-defined order instead of the purchase date or lot code. Let's have a glimpse of its functionality. As you can see, the system automatically selects this lot. We have already configured the lot order. To set a user-defined order, press F9 and, in the Display Order option, select User Order from the drop-down menu. Then click OK. Using the arrow buttons, adjust the order of the lots as desired. Let's move this lot to the highest priority and observe the functionality while generating a new bill. As observed, the system automatically selects the lot based on the user-defined order.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.